Hey there, I am starting a new series called Weird Python. We all have been told that if you wish to learn coding, you can start with Python because it is one of the easiest languages to learn with. But is it indeed? Is the Python indeed the easiest language to learn with? Does the Python code always output the same what seems to the naked eye? So in this series I am going to bring about from time to time some Python snippets, some Python codes where the answer is not the obvious one that what you think. So dear fellow learners, welcome to the episode 1 of Weird Python. I am going to share with you 3 code snippets. You may want to pause the video and look at them hard and write down your answer. The first one is being 3 if 3 greater than 2 greater than 1, then print 3 is the largest number, else print 3 is not the largest number. Pretty straightforward. If you have guessed the answer as it is going to output 3 is the largest number, then you are absolutely right. I am getting here when I am running this code, 3 is the largest number. Let me copy it and make it a comment and paste it. Now I am going to make it a bit tricky. Okay, and here I have put 3 greater than 2 into a parenthesis and made 1 to minus 1. Guess the answer. If you still say 3 is the largest number, then again you are absolutely right. This is what the output is. Wonderful. Now the time for the final snippet. Again I am going to put 3 and 2 inside the parenthesis and run. What do you think is going to be the output? If your guess is 3 is the largest number, then let's check it out. Well, I am getting the output as 3 is not the largest number. Why? Now let us try to decode this. First code snippet, this one, it is a no-brainer. 3 is greater than 2, true, and 2 is greater than 1, which is true. But inside it, what is happening here is that Python is comparing it something like this: 3 greater than 2 and 2 greater than 1. Still, it is going to output the same thing, not a problem. Copy it, rather cut it. I come over to the second snippet, more or less same. Only thing here is that now here it is comparing it as this. So 3 is greater than 2 and 2 is greater than minus 1, and that was the reason we got the output 3 is the largest one. Okay, good. But what is happening over here? Why I am getting 3 is not the largest number? Mathematically speaking, 3 is greater than 2, which is greater than 1. But still the output is not the expected thing. Okay, if we try to decode it, what is happening here behind the scene is that 3 greater than 2, sorry, 2, not 1. It is true. So what we are saying here is that this, and if I replace this parenthesis inside it, 3 greater than 2, what we are trying to compare is that true greater than 1. And in Python, if you have seen my video about the logical operator, I have said that in Python, true is got a value 1 while false has got a value 0. Let me quickly jump to the Python official documentation page. If you can see it here, this is the Python official documentation page, and I'll put the link into the description section as well. Pay attention to this line. Operations and built-in functions that have Boolean result always return 0 or false for false and 1 or true for true unless otherwise stated. what does it mean is that true is having value 1. So we are saying 1 greater than 1. Let me put it something like this. Let for a moment, if I make everything here a comment and these two also, and print this 1 greater, oh, not like this, it should have been something like this. Now if I run this program, I am getting false because 1 is not greater than 1, 1 is equal to 1. And that's the reason here what is happening in this final code is that the if condition is not getting met and we are getting the output as 3 is not the largest number. Do let me know in the comment section whether you were able to guess the answer correctly or not, and what do you think about this idea of bringing you some code snippets from time to time which are really weird. I'm going to upload all these code snippets onto my GitHub page and put the description link into the description box. If you find this video interesting and if you learned something from it, do hit the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Till that time, happy coding.